Hey, I want to share with you a skill that I've been working on, and I'm hoping that it will help you as well. And that is the skill of decision making. Because a lot of us have this attitude of, oh, whatever you want or whatever you decide. And we think that we're being agreeable when, we're not actually probably getting what we want out of life. And we might even be considered boring when we don't make a decision or we're just wishy-washy about things. Everyone is attracted to confidence, and participating in that decision-making process, it demonstrates confidence, and it's really important in so many aspects of our life. And there's a difference between being hard-nosed and stubborn and I want my way, I have to have it this way, and just participating in the decision-making process, like just giving an opinion or, saying what you would like or what you would love to have. So if you're not a good decision maker, don't start making the decisions on the really big things. Well, you'll have to, but one way to get better at decision making is just be very confident and quick to make decisions on the small things. What kind of ice cream are you going to have at the ice cream store? What shoes are you going to pack on your holiday? Where do you want to go on a holiday? What's for dinner? What restaurant do you want to go for dinner? What movie would you like to go to? It's really important for you to practice these, and I'm saying to you because this is what I'm doing. It's important to practice the decision making on the small things, because once we flex those decision making skills on the small things, it helps to build our confidence so that we can make bigger decisions on like the big things. And so, because it's just like a muscle that we practice, and it does help to build confidence. And the thing that I also notice about decision making is that there's rarely anything that's, not fixable. I feel that it's better to make a decision, whether it's in relationships, your health, your vocation, your finances, better to make a decision than to just leave things in limbo. Rarely good things happen in limbo. And sometimes not making a decision is making a decision. And so I would rather be in control. And like I said, there's rarely things that are just not fixable, because I'd rather make a decision and make a mistake and then go back and course correct, because Thomas Edison says that there's no failures, it's all feedback. So the more decisions I make, and even if they are failures or I get feedback in, maybe a negative way, I can learn from that and apply it in the future. So the more decisions I make, the more feedback I get, the more success I can actually have. I mean, if you look at any successful person, they have not found success without finding a lot of failure at first. And throughout, it's not like we just fail in the beginning. We just continue to fail and then course correct and then, and then end up succeeding. So I've had a lot of, failure or near misses that I try not to let it take the wind out of my sails. I try and view it as feedback and then move ahead, learn from it, and go from there.